Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in your Honda Fit. If you are new here, I'm an actual working tech that's looking to save you some money by making straight to the point how-to videos. The first step is to locate your glove box and open it. Then you're going to press in on both sides of the glove box and pull it down. When you're pushing both sides of the glove box, you're just folding it in a little bit to clear these tabs from the inside of the glove box here. And then inside, you will see your HVAC unit, and you will pull this door off. Before you remove the door, take note of these arrows. That is the direction of the airflow. So in this case, it would be down. You can pull out your cabin air filter. Now you will just remove the filter from the tray, discard, then install the new filter. Once the filter is installed, put it back in its home, and then just close the glove box. And now you have replaced your cabin air filter in your Honda Fit. If this video helped you at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what else you would like to see.